Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we will try to discuss some hour related functions, the date time functions, to check whether things are within next hour, previous hour, or within the current hour. And what we have done for this, we have created data which is there in this at the second level, and we have done this so that we can showcase you, and in case you need, you can create it on Excel, or you can create a series in Power BI, and using that you can do it. So let's jump directly into this data, and let's create. So we reshare transform data, you are watching our videos for long, so you might be knowing how to reach in Power Query. If not, watch of some of our initial videos. So here, let's go and jump here, custom columns, and here we say is in, just simply say current hour, and we check. Okay, the spell is wrong, let's correct that. Typos. So we say date time dot is in current hour, is in current hour, and then if I press enter, that's what I doesn't like. It okay, date time, okay, is in current hour. Let's press and see. Okay, and let's see, do we get any yes? Load the complete list, we have a yes, and we can see is in current hour. Okay, so based on the current hour, it will be the currently this is the hour which is running, and it is giving yes, this is the current hour. Let's remove the filter, because if we don't clear the filter, we may end up getting wrong answers for the next one which we are going to create next hour. Okay, so next hour, date time dot is in next. And when you're trying, don't see that what I'm showing here, because I might record on some day and I might post it in on some other day, and then you see, oh, this is not matching. No, at the time of recording, what is the time, based on that this is coming. So when you see this might be some other date when I posted it. So it's just make sure that you create data for that day, and I can't give this file, no matter this doesn't going to suit to you, you can create it on Excel or in Power BI. Okay, so is in the next hour, date time, and we got it true and false value. We should go load complete list, and we got true, and we see it, and this should be the next hour. Yes, this is the next hour which we have, next hour 10 p.m. Okay, that's there. Okay, clear it off. Previous hour, we need to talk about previous hour. Okay, previous hour, so date time dot is in previous hour. Okay, and we give date time. So date time date dot is in previous hour. Let's load it, let's search it. Okay, load more, look only for true. It should give us between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's true, that's what we got it. So these are specific functions, you need them, you can try them out. Just let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.